Hi everyone, tudo bom? This is Darcy and today I have a DIY avocado face mask. This mask is amazing for dry skin. It helps with all dry patches, but it also works with other skin types because it's super plumping, nourishing, and even helps with acne. So if you want to hear more about it, keep on watching. This mask only contains 3 ingredients. Avocado is super high in vitamin E, so it's super nourishing to the skin. It also contains yogurt, which has lactic acid, and honey, which is antibacterial, especially if you have dry skin and dry patches, which I'm suffering from right now. You will definitely benefit from this mask, but it won't make your face oily at all. This mask actually works for other skin types as well, but dry skin will benefit the most from this mask. This July, I turned 41, and with my birthday came some acne and also dry skin. My skin is getting dry and drier. I don't know, it's just been very, very strange how my skin is transforming. And right now my acne has gotten better, and I will talk about in the future what I've been doing to help with my acne, but it was pretty bad. Like I had a huge pimple on my nose and here, like a cystic acne. I have a whole video talk about my struggles with acne that I'll leave in the description box below if you want to learn more about it, because I know you guys see my skin always nice, but I really work hard on it. I don't get the skin easily. I have to do masking. I have to really do target treatments because my skin, it is an acne skin. It does change like that. I have to be very watchful with my skin. Now let's get to the mask. All you're gonna need is 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, and a half of a small avocado. Blend it all together until you get a smooth texture. You can also smash it with a fork if you like. Make sure to remove all your makeup and wash your face. Apply all over the face. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off. And whatever we have left over, you can also put in your hair. It does make an amazing hair mask as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video today, and I'll see you next time.